Let's see how you can get OpenAI key from OpenAI platform. First, go to platform.openai.com. This is the URL, just hit enter. If you're not logged in, it'll ask you to log in, and log in. Here you can see your balance, your spend, and your API keys. This is what you need. Here you will see create API keys. You can just click on create API keys and give any name to your API key. Let's say my test app, and you can assign it to any project. If you have not created any project like me, this is not mandatory. You can just choose default project and just click on create secret key. And before clicking on create secret key, you can give permissions to what is allowed, what is not allowed to this key. So let's say you have some allow, and you can disable what you want to give to this key. So just click on create secret key. Once the key is created, you will see this. You can just copy this and make sure you keep it somewhere safe, because once you have copied this and once you close this window, you'll not be able to see this key again. You'll have to generate a new key. Okay, just copy it and click on done, and the key is created. Now you can just click here on API keys and you will see all the keys that you have created. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.